Hey guys, yesterday we learned changing fractions into decimals by remembering that the fraction bar means to divide. 1 divided by 4. We already learned last week that you can add a decimal, bring it up, and annex zeros. 4 will go into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract like normal. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add another 0 and bring it down. Now 4 will go into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and there we go. So 1/4 is the same as 0.25. I also told you to memorize the box that was on page 285. Today on page 287, we're doing repeating decimals. Sometimes when you divide, you will never come to the end. It's going to be the fractions 1/3, 2/3, 1/6, 5/6, and the 9s. Any of these, when you divide, it will continue on and on and on and on and on forever. Let's take 1 divided by 3, or 1/3. Add the decimal. 3 will go into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is, that's not right. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Add the decimal, and you see I'm back at 10 again. So it will continue being 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 until you run out of room. It will continue to go. Or you can just remember that it's 0.3 with a line over the top means repeating. So this is read 0.3 repeating. All the others will come the same way. 1/6, let's look at that one, is 1 divided by 6. The decimal, 1. 1 times 6 is 6, and you got a 4. Bring down. 6 going to 46 times, and that's a 36. And that leaves you with the 4 that continues on. So it'll be 0.16 with the 6 repeating. Notice that the repeating bar only goes above the 6 because that's the number that repeats. It's not 161616. It's 0.16666666, and so on. Page 287 gives you some divisional answers. If you'll look close here at the box, Catherine, if you'll show them the box so they see what we're talking about. It says, learn these fraction decimal equivalents. They're always going to look like that. All right, so that is repeating decimals. Before we go any further, we're going to hit review. We're going to review rounding again. Let me erase that. Let's say I've got 0.78. I want to round to the nearest tenth. Find your place. Look next door. The 8 makes it go up. 5 or greater. Find your place. Look next door. 5 or greater. Add 1 more. So that would become 0.8. If I wanted to round to the nearest 100th, 476. It's the same rule. Find your place, look next door, 5 or greater, add 1 more. This becomes 0.48. Now, if the number was lower, let's say it was 0.71, I would round it to 0.47 because that 1 would not mean to add up. Today for math, you're going to do numbers on page 288, number 8, number 9, and all of number 10. Be sure that you use the correct formulas for 8. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, and area equals length times width. If you have any questions, let me know.
Looks like a boomerang.
Okay, sure.
Or like a fidget spinner.
If you have any questions, guys, let me know. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.